is going to answer the question, why is large coffee generally cheaper, using microeconomics reasoning. Let's take Starbucks as an example. On its menu, there are 3 cup sizes, tall, grande, and venti, which is the same as small, medium, and large. First, it seems reasonable that the price gets higher as the sizes increase, but let's take a closer look at the relationship between price and volume. For a latte, the unit price of a tall cup is 0.27 per ounce and 0.24 per ounce for grande and 0.21 per ounce for venti. So the unit price actually decreases as cup size upgrades. Let's see the reasoning behind it. The total cost is composed of the fixed cost and the variable cost. For Starbucks, the fixed cost includes the environment like tables, chairs, stools, and shelves, and the machines to make coffee and tea, and the rent for this store. The fixed cost for a cup of coffee doesn't change with regard to its size. The variable cost includes the employee's salary, which also doesn't matter that much when considering individual prices for coffee. So the cost of materials to make coffee increase as its cup size increase. It's the marginal cost, and it's really small compared to other kind of costs. So the total cost of a large coffee doesn't differ much from the cost of a smaller one. Since the total costs of the coffee are almost constant and doesn't increase proportionally with the volume of the cup, Starbucks can set a cheaper unit price to a larger cup sizes so that customers buy more of them. So consumers get the cheaper unit price and Starbucks earns higher profits. Then people might ask, why doesn't Starbucks just sell venti-sized coffee to get more profits? Well, from the firm's perspective, there's another way to gain more profits, which is the second-degree price discrimination. In this case, all customers face the same menu, but Starbucks charge more per ounce on small-sized coffee than large cup sizes. There's the demand curve and marginal revenue curve and marginal cost curve for Starbucks. If it only has one single cup size, the price and quantity are labeled. If it has 3 sizes, then we have the price and quantity of a tall cup, a grande, and a venti. And there's the average total cost. If it only has 1 cup size, the profit is represented by the red rectangle. But if there's 3 sizes, then the profits are these 3 blocks. For consumers, the original consumer surplus is the green triangle. But with 3 sizes, the consumer surplus is the sum of these 3 blue areas. In general, the economic profit for the firm has increased while the consumer surplus has decreased. So Starbucks earns more profits by selling 3 different sizes than just sell the large size.